Today I'm gonna show you how to resolve lack of permission error when publishing to Instagram. Go to your Facebook page, then click Settings less than Instagram. If you see a review account connection on this page, please click the button to review the connection. After doing so, go to Simplified and refresh the Facebook account connection. Check if you have admin or editor permissions for the Facebook page connected to your Instagram business account. Next step. Make sure Simplified is given all the necessary permissions. Click the profile image on the top right corner, then click Settings and Privacy less than Settings. Then, click Security and Login greater than Business Integrations. Once you're on Business Integrations, click View and Edit to the right of Simplified's name. On the pop-up window that will open, turn on all the permissions, scroll all the way down to make sure all permissions are on, then click Save. If you still can't publish, go to Business Integrations Settings on Facebook. Click the profile image on the top right corner, then click Settings and Privacy less than Settings. Click Security and Login greater than Business Integrations. On Business Integrations, click Remove next to Simplified. On the pop-up window, make sure the Send Notification to Simplified box is checked, then click Remove. Now, go back to Simplified Calendar, reconnect your Facebook page and try to publish your post again. To reconnect your Facebook, open your Simplified Calendar and click Reconnect next to the Facebook page on the window that will open. Click Continue as. Give Simplified all permissions. Select all pages, groups, accounts that you want to give permission to Simplified to post to. Click Next until the end of the permissions. When you get to the end, you'll see this message. Now, go back to Simplified, refresh your account one last time, and try republishing your post. And that's it. To more videos and help, check our Academy and Help Center.